Howdy, partner! Today, I'm Jessie. But I'm not really. I'm Daya. Today, Kasen is
Buzz Lightyear into infinity and beyond.
That's because you're watching the Daya Daily, where we do awesome dress-ups just like this one. Yeah.
Hi there, Jessie.
Hi, Buzz.
What you doing?
Well, I was just roping this Hello Kitty.
You're pretty good with that rope.
Thanks. Would you like to try?
Yeah.
Now here, and then go on top of your head. And throw it. Oh, you were close. Nice try, Buzz.
Thanks, Jessie.
Well, what have you been up to, Buzz?
I've been flying. Hey, do you want me to teach you how to fly?
Sure.
Put your legs apart. Get your wings ready. Then you're gonna blast off. Well, that's okay. Good try, Jessie.
Yeah, that's okay because I have my talents like lassoing, and you have your talents like flying. I have a great idea. Well, why don't we work together?
Yeah.
So you fly up and distract the animal. I'll go up behind and lasso it. Good? Should we try it?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna catch this, you little doggy. Gotcha, pups.
We did it, Jessie.
Yes, we did. That's a good little pup. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Disney Pixar Toy Story is a classic and everybody loves it. So that's why we're doing Jessie and Buzz Lightyear. So stick around, partners. We're gonna show you how to turn into these awesome characters. The one thing about these looks is they're super easy. Most of it's already done just by doing these costumes. One thing about my costume that is super cool is they're pajamas. And this is my favorite wig ever.
Look at my jetpack. It's blow up.
Today I'm not even gonna be doing foundation, so let's get started.
Woo, woo, woo. I'm gonna start by doing.
So I said I wasn't gonna do foundation, but I'm like, nah. I'm like just doing these like spots right here.
Buzz Lightyear has a swirl on his chin, so I'm gonna do that. Now we're gonna do my eyebrows.
And I'm going to be doing my powder. Now blush time. I'm using the blush, and this is from Color Wheel. It has all these different colors. We're going to actually try this. Now the next one. It's called Peach. Now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. This is a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. It's kind of hard to show you because they're all light colors. They're all like really pretty colors.
I'm gonna add a little blush to my cheeks.
So I'm probably gonna be using maybe a little bit of sand and a little bit of lemonade, probably a little bit more lemonade, and then we'll see about pineapple. We started with sand just for like a base color. This acts kind of like eyeshadow primer.
Now we're gonna draw my smile up a little bit, and that's it. I'm gonna let Daya finish.
I'm gonna do eyeliner. We're just doing a teeny bit by the lashes. eyebrows on. Now it's time for lips. Jessie has a nude lip, so we're gonna add a little bit of gloss. Just get a nude gloss, whatever you got. Let me grab Buzz Lightyear and we can show you the final looks. Here's the finished look. We're just kidding. Now here's the final look. Thank you all for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. And check out my Instagram and comment there what video you want to see next.
What do we want to see next?
And make sure to check out Kasen's channel. Link it right in one of these corners. It's called
Kasen's Good TV.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!